everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Grace. How are you all doing? As you all know, I love Anna Cay. I believe that she was the first person or parang siya yung nag-influence sa ating lahat ka-aesthetically beautiful ng pagkaroon or paglalagay ng acrylic nails. Nag-review siya ng foundation is maririnig mo yung acrylic nails niya na talagang ang sarap niya sa tenga. Gusto ko rin talagang ma-try out yung acrylic nails kasi if mapapansin nyo, a lot of YouTubers nowadays, they use acrylic nails and all. Kaya naman sabi ko, of course, I need to try it. So, today, I'll be sharing with you 2 items na binili ko from Impress Shop. I will be putting their link down below in the description box. If ever, by the end of this video, you also want to try out using acrylic nails. So, ito yung binili ko from Impress Shop. This is the glue-on acrylic nails. So, while this one naman is press-on acrylic nails. So, unahin natin si acrylic press-on nails. So, ito guys is meron na siyang glue sa likod ng nail. So, hindi mo na kinakailangan gumamit ng separate glue or separate na pandikit para dumikit yung press-on manicure sa nails mo. So, kailangan mo lang gawin is i-peel off yung nasa likod, protective layer, tapos, or yung tab, tapos, ayun na, press mo lang siya sa nails mo and then meron ka na agad perfect manicure in minutes. Tapos, it comes with different colors. So, hindi mo na rin kinakailangan gumamit ng nail polish and all. Kasi, ayan, pwede na lang kayong mamili kung ano yung gusto nyo na color na gamitin ninyo. For this one naman, this is the acrylic glue-on nail. So, ito guys is madami to and wala siyang kulay. Kung nakikita ninyo, kasi it is made or it is meant to be used with nail polishes or pag mag-nail art kayo, ganyan. So, ito siya. It comes in different lengths as well as styles. So, itong binili ko guys is the active square. This is just the right amount of length. Hindi siya masyado mahaba, hindi rin siya masyado maikli. Tapos, it's actually what I am wearing right now in my nails. So, ayan. Kung makikita ninyo is, ginamitan ko siya ng nail polish na gusto ko. So, guys, is ginaglue to. So, may kasama siyang glue dito. It really depends on your own preference kung ano yung mas gusto niyong gamitin between the two. Kung gusto niyo ng mas mabilis and hassle-free, go for the press-on manicure. Pero kapag gusto niyo ng mas matagal yung acrylic nails sa kamay ninyo is use this Kiss acrylic glue-on nails. Kasi feeling ko, if gagamit kayo ng separate pang glue is mas matagal siya. They claim to last up to 7 days. And siguro, depende na lang din sa daily activities ninyo. Pero kung ako ang tatanungin nyo, kung hindi naman kayo ganun ka matrabaho, like for example, hindi kayo naglalaba manually, hindi kayo naglilinis ng bahay, or like, yung mga usual na mga mabibigat na trabaho. So, alam ko guys, curious din kayo kung paano nga ba nilalagay ang acrylic nails. In the next video guys is ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking application. Ayan, ito ang itsura ng aking mga kamay. And as you can see, they're all short and chubby, plus my nails are naturally short. Hindi ko sila mapatubo ng mahaba. So, before applying the acrylic nails, kinakailangan nating linisin with the prep pad yung ating mga nails to make sure na walang mga dumi, residue, or oils na nakakabit sa nails natin. Kung wala kayong prep pad, kahit cotton pad lang na may acetone, or alcohol actually, pwede na din. Pwede nyo siyang panglinis ng nails ninyo para sure tayo na kapag dinikit natin yung ating acrylic nails is malinis yung ating kuko. So, patuyuin lang natin siya. While nagpapatuyo tayo guys is hanap na tayo ng tamang size for our nails. Pasensya na nagre-reflect yung ring light ko. So, ayan. So, may kasama na siyang glue guys. Hindi siya yung press-on nails. Kinakailangan ng glue kapag gagamitin mo siya. Tapos, pipili lang ako dito kung ano yung dapat na shade for, or shape ng nails for my nails. So, ayan. Pili tayo. This is how it looks like. So, this nails is intended for nail polish use or nail art. So, for today is gagamitin ko itong aking bench nail polish. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng top coat. Ito na yung itsura ng nails ko ngayon. So, I just painted it with a nude nail polish just because ayoko. Feel ko it's perfect for every day and I won't have a hard time choosing outfits to fit this nail polish. So, ayan guys, it's very easy and all you need is around siguro 10 to 15 minutes and then you're done and kailangan nyo lang siyang patuyuin. So, ayan na. Yay! Parang nagiging feeling mo is totoong kuko mo na rin siya. And actually, it doesn't feel plasticky kasi 'di ba merong mga plastic acrylic nails. And hindi siya gano'n, hindi gano'n yung feeling nitong mga nabili ko. Parang totoong kuko rin siya. And also, pwede nyo lang siyang i-trim, pwede nyo rin siyang i-shape into any length or shape na gusto ninyo, guys. You are wanting or thinking of using itong mga acrylic nails na to, go for it. Sobrang nakakatuwa, nakakaganda ng kamay and all. And ayan, so I'm super duper happy with my purchase. If gusto nyo bumili, you can purchase this from Impress Shop. Meron silang shop sa Instagram as well as sa Shopee. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and find this review helpful. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!